Who's there?
Kent.
Kent who?
Can't you let me in? Knock, knock.
Who's there? Let's who?
Let's go to the zoo. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Alma.
Alma who?
Alma candy's gone. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Sarah.
Sarah who?
Sarah Mouse in her house.
Is there a mouse in the house? Sit up!
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Butter.
Butter who?
Butter, wants your dog. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ears.
Ears who?
Here's some more knock, knock jokes for you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Woohoo!
Wahoo-hoo!
You don't need to cheer. It's just a joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Tank.
Tank who?
Tank, you're welcome.
You're so funny. How do you know all these?
I'm so smart because I had a book.